The red panda is a carnivore native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. Red pandas were given the name panda first, roughly 50 years before the black and white variety. These pandas typically grow to the size of a house cat. Red pandas are present in some protected areas throughout their range, including parks in Myanmar, Bhutan, India, Nepal, and China. Have you seen the movie Turning Red? The red panda is the main character there, so try and check that out. The fennec fox is a small nocturnal fox native to the Sahara Desert and the Sinai Peninsula. Its most distinctive feature is its unusually large ears, which serve to dissipate heat. The fennec is the smallest dog family species. Fennec foxes dwell in the sandy Sahara and elsewhere in the North Africa. Their nocturnal habits help them deal with the searing heat of the desert environment, and some physical adaptations help as well. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. It is characterized by a broad head, large eyes, a pointed snout, long legs, a thin tapering tail, and a brindled coat pattern. Meerkats are extremely social and often groom or play with each other. They tend to live in groups. Meerkat groups have a highly developed social structure, with individuals playing various important roles in the community. The most likely place to see meerkats is located in Botswana, around the Makgadikgadi pans in Kalahari Desert. This vast complex of salt pans covers around 10,000 square kilometers and is home to numerous meerkat families, known as clans or mobs. Another popular destination is the Kalahari Transfrontier Park. Straddling the border between South Africa and Botswana is one of the best places to look for meerkats. This large, semi-arid region provides an ideal habitat for meerkats to thrive. The margay is a small wild cat native to Central and South America, a solitary and nocturnal cat. It lives mainly in primary evergreen and deciduous forests. Margay prefers life in rainforests, deciduous and evergreen forests, but it can be also spotted near the coffee and cocoa plantations. Populations are declining as their forest ranges are reduced by human conversion to agriculture, pasture, and infrastructure development. Margays like to live in thick forests where there are plenty of trees for them to climb. They do not like to live in open spaces at all, and have been found not only in Central America but also in Mexico and northern South America. The quokka, also known as the short-tailed scrub wallaby, known as the happiest animal in the world. Quokkas are herbivores who primarily feed at night, meaning they are mainly nocturnal. They eat the leaves, stems, and bark of many plants in addition to grass. If necessary, they can survive for long periods of time without food or water by living off the fat stored in their tails. The only place to see quokkas are on some smaller islands off the coast of Western Australia, particularly Ratness Island just off Perth, and also Bald Island near Albany, and in isolated, scattered populations in forests and coastal heath between Perth and Albany. Elephant shrews are also called jumping shrews or thingies, are small mammals that feed on insects, native to Africa. They take their name from their long pointed head and very long, mobile trunk-like nose. Short-eared elephant shrews live in southern Africa in Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa. They prefer a habitat where they can burrow into sandy soil, including arid, semi-desert, dry grass, and shrubland. The checkered elephant shrew is found in Central Africa. The golden-rumped elephant shrew is endemic to Kenya. The gray-faced shrew is confined to two forests in Tanzania, and the black and rufous elephant shrew is found in East Africa. Flapjack octopus or adorabilis is a species of umbrella octopus. They might look cute and innocent, but these adorable octopuses are quite capable of hunting and killing their prey. The flapjack octopus live into the very deep of the ocean, where there is not a lot of light. The newly hatched can be found at around 200 meters depth, while the depth range of the adults is from 500 to 1,500 meters. The klipspringer is a small antelope found in eastern and southern Africa. Klipspringers inhabit mountain ranges of eastern Africa, from the Red Sea Hills to the Cape and north to the Angola, along coastal ranges and river gorges. Adult klipspringers are agile, quick, and sure-footed, which helps them dodge danger. Klipspringers are active mostly during the early morning and late afternoon hours, resting during the hottest part of the day. The numbat, or known as the banded anteater due to its appearance, is a small endangered marsupial animal native to Australia. Numbats are special because they have long, sticky tongues that allows them to pick up termites, which make up their exclusive diet. Unfortunately, numbats are endangered due to many factors, of which are the most concerning is habitat destruction. As a result, there are fewer than 1,000 numbats left in the wild. Numbats were found across much of arid and semi-arid southern Australia. However, only two naturally occurring populations remain, both in southwestern Australia. These remaining natural populations are Dryandra Woodland and Tone or Pearl Nature Reserve. Japanese weasels are small carnivorous mammals native to Japan. Their fur is orange-brown with darker markings on the head. The fur on the throat is usually white in color. Females in this species are smaller than males. Japanese weasels are native to Japan, where they occur on the islands of Honshu, Kyushu, and Shikoku. They typically live in mountainous or forested areas near water. They tend to be located in grasslands, villages, suburbs, but try to avoid big cities.